You will be needing bird seed, a funnel, an empty 1-liter water bottle, a wooden spoon, tape, and scissors. First, you're going to want to take your empty water bottle and cut 2 square pieces out on both sides of your water bottle. Then take 2 pieces of tape on only one side and tape the top and the bottom of the square you cut out. Next, you're going to take your wooden spoon and stick the end of the stick through the side of the bottle that has not been taped. Then, after you get through that hole, you're going to stick it through the other one also. Next, you're going to open your bird food and you're going to cut a corner piece off the top of the bag. Next, you're going to take your funnel and stick it through the top of the bottle and pour as much bird seed as you would like into the bottle. Now your bird feeder is complete.